$3. That's less than a coffee. Less than most people spend without thinking. But over time, it can quietly change how you live. What if saving $3 a day was enough to build real financial security? Not through luck, not through shortcuts, through simple math and patience. Stay with me for a few minutes, because this idea reshaped how I think about money, and it might do the same for you. A close friend once said something to me that I still remember. He said, "I try to save every month. I'm not reckless. I'm not irresponsible. But it never feels like I'm getting anywhere. Sometimes I think I'll be working forever." He wasn't complaining. He was being honest. And he's not alone. Millions of people feel this. They work, they earn, they try to be careful. And still, the future feels uncertain. For a long time, I felt the same way. Like I was doing everything right and still falling behind. Not because we're doing something wrong, because we were never shown a system. Most people handle money like this: earn, spend, save whatever is left. That feels normal, but it makes real progress almost impossible. People who build long-term stability usually flip that order. Earn, set aside investments first, then live on the rest. Not aggressively, not painfully, just intentionally. The tool that makes this simple is automatic investing. A fixed amount, on a fixed date, every month. You decide once. Then the system runs quietly in the background. No emotion, no guessing, no constant decisions. Let me show you why this matters. $3 a day. That's about $90 a month. It sounds insignificant, but watch what happens over time. If you invest $90 every month into a simple index fund, with a historical average return of around 8 to 10%, for 25 years, you could build somewhere between $80,000 and $130,000. Returns are never guaranteed, but history shows what patience and consistency can do. If you increase that to $100 a month and stay consistent for 30 years, the number could grow past $200,000. Some scenarios higher, some lower, but the direction is clear. This isn't a trick. It's compounding. Your money earns returns. Those returns earn more returns. And time does most of the work. Saving and investing is only the first phase. The real goal is stability, freedom, options. So let's talk about the second phase.
When you've built a portfolio, you don't spend it all at once. You don't empty it. You turn it into steady income. Many long-term investors follow something called the 4% rule. Here's what it means. If your portfolio reaches $500,000, you withdraw about 4% per year. That's $20,000 annually, roughly $1,600 per month. And in many situations, the remaining balance continues to grow, so you receive income while your capital keeps working. That's not luck, that's structure. When I explained this to my friend, he stayed quiet for a moment. Then he asked, "So when should I start?" I told him that's not really the question. The real question is, why wait? He started the next month, $100, automatic, no drama, no perfection, just consistency. Now, I want to be honest with you. This is not magic. Markets go up and go down. Inflation reduces purchasing power over time. Mistakes can be costly, and everyone's situation is different. That's why thoughtful investors diversify,
Keep emergency savings. Avoid emotional decisions during market drops, and revisit their plan as life changes. The goal isn't to avoid risk, it's to manage it calmly. Here's the truth most people don't like hearing. Most people already understand this. They just don't act on it. They wait for more income, more confidence, more time, and years pass quietly. The best time to begin was years ago. The second best time is today. Not with perfection, with something small, something steady, something you can sustain. Before you go, remember this. Building real financial security isn't about being perfect. It's about making small, smart decisions consistently over time. You don't need to rush. You don't need to compare yourself to anyone else. You just need a system that works for you. This channel exists for one reason: to help you see the rules before you pay for them. If you want to see exactly how to set up automatic investing in under 10 minutes, step by step, that's what the next video covers. It's right here. This is Max's Money Lab. We're here to help you think clearly about money, so it supports your life, not controls it.